Always get a car insurance rate quote before you sign up. Want to know how to get a car insurance quote? Then watch this video until the end. Insurance has become part and parcel of everyone's life these days. With almost everything being on the insurance radar, one can, in no way, ignore the importance of insurance. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Insurance Cloud. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Insurance covers almost every commodity from homes and cars to laptops, mobiles, and numerous other items. Life insurance is a big business all over the world. Various other things can be insured like health, business, overseas travel, and whatnot. Insurance is a big business nowadays, with many companies lining up for this lucrative business. Automobile insurance is an agreement between the owner of the car and the insurance company in which the insurance company becomes liable for any damage caused to the owner or the car due to an accident or theft. This contract is made against a certain amount paid by the car owner to the insurance company, known as premium. Auto insurance can be of different types depending on the risk covered by the insurance. The premium amount will also vary accordingly, and thus you must get a car insurance rate quote. Depending on the coverage, auto insurance can be categorized as legal limit coverage, having the minimum coverage, liability-only coverage, and full coverage, which covers the maximum damage. The coverage and rates of premium also vary with the insurance companies. That is why a car owner needs to get a car insurance rate quote from the companies before signing a deal. As part of marketing and customer attraction strategies, most insurance companies have policies to provide free car insurance rate quotes to their customers. These car insurance rate quotes help a great deal in selecting the most economical and most coverage-providing insurance. The rate quote normally includes the coverage of the damage and the rate to be paid for the coverage. While buying a car, it's quite natural for you to get excited about the car itself and forget about other trivial things like insurance. But the car insurance is equally important as it ensures the future of the car in case of any mishaps. You may feel the insurance you have covers enough damages, but if you just stop around and check, there may be better deals waiting for you that have more damage coverage at a lesser premium. Also, there are innumerable cases of auto insurance fraud. To prevent yourself from such problems in the future, it is all the more important to get a car insurance rate quote and verify it against all possible checkers. A car insurance rate quote helps you in saving money and also helps in avoiding any harassment later on in case of an accident or mishap. So please go through the same information repeatedly with the insurance company before you sign the papers. Most of the insurance companies provide good customer support these days. You can talk to them over the phone, check their websites, or even visit their office personally. So please don't ignore or overlook the insurance of your dream car and get the insurance rate quote before you sign a deal.